Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Martin Dreyfuss Show. I know it's been a little bit. I was just finishing up a college semester. We got over a 4.0 GPA, but that's not the point. We've missed a lot, and a lot is unfolding as we speak, including one of the biggest travesties in my lifetime from the U.S. Supreme Court. I'm just going to come out, be honest with you guys. The fact that the Supreme Court is going to overturn Roe versus Wade and allow states to completely illegalize abortion is a travesty. It's a step back in human rights. We've made so much progress in women's rights and minorities' rights, and the goal is to keep moving forward, not backwards. Yet, time and time again, decision here, decision there, and we're taking steps backwards. So I want to get into the initial reports of Politico coming out with their opinion draft that will overturn Roe versus Wade, and then we'll start getting into the protests and what each state thinks about it all in time. So let's go ahead and get into this.
While we begin here at 11 tonight with that breaking news out of Washington, an unprecedented leak from the Supreme Court.
It sure is, and it now raises questions about the future of Roe versus Wade and what this means for abortion rights in our country. CBS 2's Dick Brennan in our newsroom with the latest on this. Dick?
Well, Christina Maurice, if indeed this is true, and CBS 2 has not confirmed the authenticity of this report, this could be the most consequential opinion in decades. Politico reports the Supreme Court could be poised to strike down Roe v. Wade and its supporting precedents.
So, yeah, consequential is correct. The last time this happened, I can't remember the exact year, but it wasn't too many decades ago when we got rid of abortion and women started taking matters into their own hand, and we had increased amount of deaths due to this, and it really just increases a lot of safety hazards, and it creates unnecessary tension and anger in our country. At the end of the day, if somebody wants to choose to have an abortion, whether you believe they're going to go to hell for it, or whether you believe that is totally okay, or whatever you may believe, it's not your decision, it's not affecting you, and I think we should just leave it at that.
In the draft opinion leaked to Politico, Justice Samuel Alito wrote, "We hold that Roe and Casey must be overruled. It is time to heed the Constitution and return the issue of abortion to the people's elected representatives." The report says Justices Clarence Thomas, Brett Kavanaugh, Neil Gorsuch, and Amy Coney Barrett all voted to support the Alito opinion. Tonight, protesters gathered outside the U.S.
I'm not sure who all sides where. Based on just the state of our country, I'm going to assume they're all Republican. I'm going to assume 2 to 3 of those were nominated by Trump. And I do understand that, we're going to let it go back in the elected officials' hands, but that's stupid. It should be in the hands of the people, and the decision should be it's available for you if you want it. If you don't choose to take it, you don't have to get an abortion. It's not law to get an abortion. So how are you going to sit here and then say, a few people should make the decision for the masses? Not everyone's meant to be a parent. Not everyone's capable of being a parent. And this is going to really bring about long-term and short-term consequences.
Supreme Court. Roe has guaranteed women the right to an abortion, but this opinion would now say it's up to state legislatures. It should be clear that early drafts of opinions can change, so there's no guarantee that this is the final decision. Tonight, New York Governor Kathy Hochul called the news of the High Court's leaked decision a disgrace, adding, "We will fight it with everything we've got." And Governor Murphy in New Jersey added, "It's truly a dark day in America."
Should it be? It's a game changer for America. It's a game changer for women and women's rights to control their own body.
I don't know why we got to cut him off after the 3 seconds. He was doing a great job, but it's the truth. All those statements are true. Dark day, game changer.
Now, the idea that this document has apparently been leaked is extraordinary in and of itself. So far, there's no comment from the U.S. Supreme Court, but sources tell CBS News tonight that Chief Justice John Roberts is likely to order a full-blown investigation involving the FBI to determine the source.
My honest-to-God opinion might be that it's probably somebody either who's in the Supreme Court, one of the justices, or somebody very close, and it's probably a woman who, rightfully so, sees the wrongness in her country and knows if she leaks it, and maybe if it's a he, but regardless, if she leaks it, it's going to cause this uprising, as it needs to, because if this goes through, which unfortunately, as America's precedents show, it ain't gonna matter. They're gonna do whatever they want to anyway. But this is an absolute travesty. Absolute joke. I'm tired of even saying we're in 2021. Were we Neanderthals 100 years ago? Like, come on, guys. This is absolutely ridiculous what we've built here. This is a joke what our country has become. What the world has become, for that matter. Or what it is, for that matter. Like,